Hi everyone. So in this video, you will learn how to destructure an array in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Link to our style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one button, and one h1 element. Let's make it get. This one will be result. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select body element, text align will be center. Select div element, display will be inline block. Select button element, display will be inline block. Padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Save it, go to JavaScript file. Let's select the button here. So it will be btn get document.query selector, the button element. Select h1 element, let's make it result. Add event listener to the button, which is click. This is the handler function. Now we need an array. So let's make it users, and we'll have a couple of names here. For example, James, Peter, Marks. Now to destructure this, we'll make use of square brackets like this, and we'll have three variables a, b, c. Okay. Now result.inner text will be equal to this format. Just copy and paste it 2 times. Make it B, make it C. So what is happening here? This value, which is James, will go in the A variable, Peter will go in the B variable, Marks will go in the C variable. Now just save it, open this file in the browser, click, and this is the output. Now in case you want only James and Marks, you don't want Peter, in that scenario you can just simply remove this B part and leave it empty like this. Okay, now we'll get only A value and C value. A will be James, C will be Marks. So we don't have here B. Let's remove it, save it, go to browser, click, and this is the output. Let's restore it. Also, you can have a default value for a variable. For example, we are having only 2 values in this array, or you can say 2 items in this array, and we don't have the third item. In that case, I can give a default value to C variable. Let's make it Ronald. Okay, so now we'll have James, Peter, and Ronald. Save it, click, and this is the output. If I'll have third value here, for example Marks, then I will get James, Peter, Marks. I will not get this Ronald. See, let me show you one more thing here. Let's have a couple of names here. For example, Mary, Jane, and John. Now let's remove this also. So James will go in A, Peter will go in B, Marks will go in C. But these rest of the names I want to store in a variable and form an array. So I can make use of a rest operator here like this, 3 dots and D, and this will be array. So these 3 names will go in A, B, C, and Mary, Jane, John will go in D, and it will form a array. Let me copy and paste this one, make it D, same goes here. Save it, go to browser, click, and you can see we are having a array here. Let me show you a console log. Let's console log D variable here, save it, go to browser, click, you can see we are having 3 values here, Mary, Jane and John, and you can see them here also. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.